And Scott Bauer, maybe the answer is to investors who are watching right now, it's not that you should be suspicious of every analyst. Just check and see if you are interested in buying a certain company and you see that an analyst has a high rating on the stock, just check and see who underwrote the IPO. Because that tends to shed a little bit more light on the situation and maybe the perspective of that analyst.
It does, Liz. And like Teddy said, I don't want to cast a pall over this, space here with the IPOs, but that certainly makes a lot of sense. You really do have to look at that. Now, in terms of the recent Peloton and Smile Direct and some of the others, if you look at the first half of this year, Quarter one, the IPOs that came out were up 11.5%. Quarter two, 39.5%. So I think some of these analysts coming into the recent IPOs got way over their skis. And what we have to look at is the market's in a different place right now. The overall market is in a different place right here in October and in how it was a month ago than it was the first half of the year. I think that has a lot to do with it as well. That sentiment and the psychology overall of this cautious market, where earlier in the year we were just kind of seeing steady gains after gains after gains.
Yeah.